Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And for you not to miss any of my content and my videos, just hit that little notification bell. It lets you know when I upload. For today's video, if you haven't seen by the title, I am so excited to be doing this video. You have no idea. I am so stoked to be sharing with you this unboxing and everything in this collection because it's stunning, it's beautiful. There's like, I have so many words that probably are going to be so repetitive, but I just want to first start off by saying thank you to Lora and Dana for this amazing launch party. This was the beautifulest, that's not even a word, but this was the most gorgeous, most detailed, planned out party of the year. Like, I'm not even joking with you. If you don't know who Melt Cosmetics is, Melt Cosmetics is a woman brand, kind of more like an indie brand, but they're now currently this year launched into Sephora, and I'm so happy for them. Lora and Dana are both the creators of this cosmetic brand, which I've been following for such a long time, and just to see them how far they've come, like it's amazing. They started with just lipsticks and then just here we are years later, you know. I went to their first makeup convention, which was Fame Expo, and I met both of them. They were both sweet and genuine and so humble. That's what I appreciate most about them. Like, they are always considerate of their followers, of their fans, of their people, like just their consumers. Like, that's their I don't even know, like they're just so considerate about us who buy their stuff and are always inviting us back to them. And that's what I really appreciate about Melt Cosmetics, is that they host these parties and events, but then they always make sure to bring back like their customers, but they're more like their friends. And I'm part of that, which is really exciting because it feels like a whole family together, you know what I mean? To start off, they did send an email that I am subscribed to. They have new launches and stuff, and for this particular event, which is the holiday launch party, they did send out an email where you can buy your ticket to attend to this holiday launch party. So as soon as that came out, I bought it, and I was like, I'm gonna go, because I could not pass up on this collection and how this party was gonna be. So it was about 20 bucks per ticket, and you had a limit of 2. So I was able to get my ticket, and I know it sold out like within minutes later. So that's how I was able to attend the event. And then they also had all the products out there that you're able to purchase. And I did purchase the entire PR box because I was like on the fence about it. I was with my friends and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get this palette, both palettes, you know, whatever. And I saw the entire collection and I swatched everything and I was like, girl, just get it. And the fact that like my friends enabled it too, because they got the entire PR box, that was like, okay, I'm getting it. They have this collection. This is a holiday collection that's limited edition. I'm pretty sure this is not going to stay in their like actual whole line, because they did say it was holiday collection, but they came out with this collection called Amor Eterno, based on the Mexican culture, about like Dia de los Muertos and all the beautiful colors and everything. There's a whole Instagram TV about it on Lora and Melt Cosmetics' page that I will link down below, so you can go ahead and see if you haven't already seen it. The collection is freaking beautiful, stunning, well thought out. Like, I can't even explain to you. It's just so pretty. I'm just gonna tell you about like the party. My boyfriend dropped me off, and there was mariachi outside painted with like sugar skulls, and so cool. They're like playing music and everything. It was so nice. As soon as you walk in, they had the flores de muerto like everywhere, and then you walk in, it's like a huge venue. They had the picture booth to the left, and then they had a staircase upstairs to where the products you were able to purchase, and all of that railing had the flores de muerto also. And then they had people like serving hors d'oeuvres. They had an open bar. You know, I got a margarita, and that thing was pretty good because I was buzzed and it was pretty strong, and I was only one drink. Okay, the dance floor was so pretty. They had like, so they had this like the the artistry on the floor, like on the dance floor, that was so freaking pretty. I'll go ahead and put like a video of it, but that was so fucking, like, who thinks of that, man? Like, seriously, like, it was so well thought out. Like, oh, by the way, this was on Dia de los Muertos, which was November 1st, and I was like, dude, couldn't be any better. Like, are you joking right now? This had been planned for probably a really long time, because the artistry of it, like the whole collection of it, just fucking blew my mind. They had Lora's dog on the top of the altar, which was so pretty. I was like, oh, my heart, because you know her dog just passed away this past year. So yeah, anyways, that was beyond beautiful. Like, they had the whole thing, like, just stunning. They had pictures of like their family members and everything, and like pan de muerto. They had like beer and stuff like that. They had a section of like candy and conchas, which was so cool. I didn't get a concha, but I did take a picture of it, and it was so pretty. The centerpieces were so pretty, like even the napkins. Okay, I took a napkin. Okay, this was because of Elizabeth. I took a napkin because you took a napkin. But look at this detailing. Like, for real, they even got the napkin detailing on it, like the little melt lipsticks. And girl, I took a napkin, okay? That's how excited I was. And they had a bunch of like dance folklorico performances. They had an Aztec dance performance. They had like the folklorico de Veracruz, and then some other ones that I wasn't able to see because I left around 9. But I saw like my friends' stories and stuff, and that looked really cool. They had a mariachi singing and everything, and then I was able to dance because they had some good DJ music playing. You know, my ass needed to dance. I was there dancing with my big old bag, hitting people left and right, but I still had fun. I enjoyed it. It was amazing, and it was just so beautiful. Like all the roses and all the flowers and everything. Like, it was such a well thought out party. I was so happy I was able to see both Lora and Dana. I didn't get a picture with them because they were kind of busy with everything and just like walking back and forth, and I just wanted to enjoy seeing them like being so happy with everyone and just kind of like enjoy everything. And like, you know, I didn't stop to take a picture with them because, you know, I just felt like they wanted to enjoy the party and everything. So I was just like, you know what, as long as I get a video of them being all happy and everything, like that's all that matters to me. So that was my experience at the party. Fucking amazing, hands down. So this is the entire PR box kit. So the original price of this was $2.95, but because I did buy my ticket, they gave you 20 bucks off of this entire PR kit. So it ended up being $2.75 flat with like no tax. So this is what it is. It's so pretty. Like, just look at the box. I love this so much. Like, it's so pretty. Let me show you the inside. So the 2 palettes are up here on top. You have the brush set on the bottom, highlighter, liquid lipsticks, and then the 4 eyeliners up top. This is the Muerte Palette and the Vida Palette. These are what the 2 palettes look like by itself and then just together. I mean, the entire case is like this. Both of them have a shelf life of 12 months. So if you're someone who is like very picky about that, just a year. But you know me, and that's probably not even gonna happen. So I'm probably gonna keep it longer. I will have swatches as I am talking about this palette, just so you're able to see it. And I already used her today, so it's kind of a little bit dirty, but this is what she looks like. It says melt right here, and then Muerte, and then the packaging of it is just stunning. Like, you can tell it's like textured, so beautiful. And you get a mirror like their other ones, and it says Amor Eterno on the top. And then here are the shades. Have Angelito, which is a more shimmer color. Lágrimas is a matte color. Duelo is a matte. Panteón is a matte. Noche Eterna matte. Catrina is a more shimmer. Velorio matte. Sangre matte. Corazon matte, and Calaca is like a shimmer. This is the Vida palette. It's more brighter, obviously, because Vida means life in English. So here are the colors. Of Sarape, we have Papel Picado, Amor Eterno, Agua Aridente, Chocolate, Atole, Sol, Pan Dulce, Alegra, Mexicana. So that's what all these beautiful colors look like. So move on to the highlighter. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it's not Cosmetics, nothing on the back. Packaging, the name of it is up here, Iluminación. Has a shelf life of 12 months as well. I did use this today, so you can see she's going to be used. But this is like my favorite thing about this is the imprint on the highlight. Like, it's a sugar skull. It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. And it is more on the pink side, as you can see. And I will have a swatch of it. This is so hard to do. I'm gonna take out the brushes. Still really sturdy. This is for the face. This is for the eyeliner, I believe. Yeah, it says Línea. Transicion, so transition shade. This one is Precision. This is a Mezcla brush, so blending brush is Lapiz. 6 brushes that are in this PR box. And then if you open the flap here, you get the makeup bag for the brushes, which is, it's so cute. And then they came out with 3 new liquid lipsticks, so these are what they look like. Packaging kind of the same as like the highlighter. This purple one is called, yeah, Marachi. The pink one is called Fiesta. The orange one is called Monarca. So this is Marachi. This is what the applicator looks like. Same as our other ones. So we have the Fiesta shade, which is a very hot pink color. And then we have the Monarca, which is the orange, which I was kind of afraid to purchase, but I was like, you know what, let's see how it works out. You know, we can mix it here and there with things. We have 4 of their cream eyeliners, which I was mostly excited about as well, because I love me a cream eyeliner. So again, this is what the packaging looks like. This is what the eyeliner looks like. So it's Melt right there. This is the Immortal shade. The woman who was helping us was explaining how these were made. These were meant to stay creamy so they don't dry out on you. This color is honestly so pretty. When I swatched it, I was like, oh my god, that is an eyeliner bomb. This is called Fortuna. This is like a very forest green color. That's what this looks like. And then this color, oh my gosh, I was so freaking excited. It's called Santos. Very electric blue, creamy matte color. So it's kind of different than the cover of it, but it's still like really pretty. You can see the difference. This shade is called Cultura. This is more of like a orangey, but it's kind of like a little nude in a sense. So that's what she looks like. Very nice color. This is the bag that they gave us. This huge thing. It's Beyond Beautiful, so Amor Eterno. And then Mel Cosmetics, of course. So this doesn't even fit on here. Any questions, or if I missed anything, please ask me in the comments. Were any of you at this party? Like, I just want to know. And let me know what you think of this collection. I really want to hear some feedback on like what you think of it and everything. And just the fact that it's like inspired by Mexican culture is just really inspiring, you know, because like this is the first time I've seen something like this where the creators like put so much thought into their collection and their culture. You know, Lora is Mexican and she's showing that, you know, it's just like thriving in this collection, and it's just, it shows, and it's so beautiful. And I feel like that's why it's so like, you know, relatable. And I am part Mexicana, so that's why I kind of like really gravitated towards this as well. Just like showing the true colors of like our culture and everything was just really nice, just really inspiring, and just like so beautiful. And just like, you know, this is a part of us and in our culture, and the fact that like Mel Cosmetics is showcasing that and like expressing it, it's just such a beautiful thing to see. nothing like that has been created out here in the makeup industry. And like every time Cosmetics comes out with something, I feel like it's unique to them and it has meaning. Like everything in their collection has meaning and significance. That's what I really appreciate about Melt Cosmetics, and like they put so much thought into it. I won't be surprised if Lora and Dana come out with a palette for their kids, like for real, like, or inspired by their kids, or just like a name from their kids, you know what I mean? Like when they came out with the Gemini and 27 palette, like that was based around them. So I won't be surprised if like they have one for their kids. So anyways, that is the end of this video. I know it's going to be a little bit long and lengthy, but I just wanted to showcase everything, show the swatches and all of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review / unboxing, give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoy these kinds of videos, and I will see you in the next one. Toodles!